Good morning, friends. Welcome back to our channel. It's a very busy day for me here today. I have lots of orders to pack and I have to run a lot of errands today. But before I do that, I wanted to show you what is happening in the garden. Just a little snippet. Look at this mustard flowers. Isn't it so lovely? And have some radish flowers also in there, and some other flowers that I don't even know the name, but they're just yellow and they're blooming in the garden where I am going to plant the beans on the beans trellis. They were there from last year and I just left them. They're so gorgeous, so I just wanted to show you all, so I photographed them. I also have these ever bearing strawberries and they just keep blooming and blooming and producing fruit. I'm so happy. So first thing on my agenda today is pack orders. I have some huge orders, and so I'm gonna pack them first, and then I am going to give it to my husband so he can take them to the post office, because that's his job. My job is to just pack them. So let's get those orders packing. I'm not gonna show you guys a lot of stuff because it's a lot of things and I don't want to show people's names and stuff because how the things are packed on my table. So yeah, here it is. Now that I'm finished doing the hard work, let's have some fun. Let's go shopping with me. Come along and see where we are going. I'm gonna take the long way today because I want to do a scenic route so I can just enjoy the beautiful trees and watch wildlife. And I like to pass in that area where there's a lot of cows and moose and stuff in that area, and there is a nice stream flowing. So yeah, I'm taking that scenic route today, so enjoy some of this nice scenery and keep watching so you can see where I am going. So thrifting is one of my favorite things to do on my spare time. So guys, do you like to thrift? If you like to thrift, put a comment in the comment section. So today I'm gonna go thrifting because I just want to get away from the house and I have a lot of things to take care of in the city. So I figure I'll just put some thrifting on. And I am making an outdoor kitchen, so I need some items for the outdoor kitchen. So let's go thrifting with me. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I am going to get. And yeah, I found this nice little Christian thrift store in another town, about 20 to 35 minutes away, about that. And I decided to go there and do some shopping. So it's a really nice little place. I'll show you around. So let's go thrifting. So in this segment of the video, I am not filming widescreen because this is a thrift store and this is like a charity thrift store, and in that store there is a lot of people with special needs working in here, and I do not want to film widescreen because I want to protect their privacy. And this store is a really great store because it gives people who have special needs a chance to work and feel valued and to actually be doing something with themselves instead of being at home and maybe working in the mainstream where they would not be comfortable. So I really like this store. So I am not gonna film wide screen in some part of the video because I just want to protect those people's privacy. And as a person who works with special need children and adults, I care about those things. So yes, but enjoy the video. This thrift store is amazing. It has a large variety of things to choose from, and the price is amazing. It's an actual thrift store for people who cannot afford things. It's not like the other mainstream thrift store where things are so expensive. It's as if they think it's a Walmart or something, those other thrift stores. But I love this thrift store and I come here often, and there's a lot of unique things in here, and the price is just right. So I came to the thrift store today mainly to shop for things for my outside kitchen, and I think today is a really good day because they have put out a lot of new things, and I even found some things that I can use for my soap business, and this huge bowl is one of them. I can use it to mix products in a big batches, so I'm so happy I find this bowl. And this thrift store is like in the corner area of, like, I don't know how to say that, but like in a street area where people don't like frequent too much. So when you come to this thrift store, you have just lots of things, because in this area I think there are 5 thrift stores, and those on the main street, like the Salvation Army and those others, people mainly go there. This one is always not packed, like, so 1 or 2 people are shopping in there, and those other thrift stores is just a packed. I don't know what's the reason, but I find this one is the best. It just have really good stuff and it's so cheap. Now, whenever I come to this thrift store, I have to resist temptation and not pick up a lot of things. As you can see, as I'm rolling the video, there are a lot of nice dishes and wares in there, and they're pretty low price. As you can see, the sauces and the plates and everything like that, and they have like discount, like blue price or yellow price or green price. They have 70% or 50% or 80%. It's just great. So you can come in there and leave with a whole basket full of stuff, because they have really cool stuff in there. So I come into that thrift store and I have to just buy exactly what I need and do not impulse buy, because I will be leaving there with a whole bunch of stuff which I really do not need. And for my outside kitchen, I already have some things that I picked up at another thrift store about a month and a half ago, I think. So I have quite a lot of things. I just basically need some furniture. So yeah, I'm resisting temptation. And the furniture, they're really inexpensive also, like $25, $30. Like if you're looking for like a chair to upholster, or you just want to find a table or anything like that, they have it in that place. And I mean, it's reasonable price. If I go to Salvation Army, or if I go to those other stores in the, like on the main street, like $90, $120, $200, I don't know what they think. Like, my goodness, thrift stores are meant for people who cannot afford, you know what I mean? But anyways, this thrift store is the best. I just love it.
Calling from something that's
So I was just having a grand old time in the book area. As you can see, they have a large supply of books. And so I was there for a good half an hour going through books, especially garden books. But I'm not showing you in the video, but something I was paying attention to, there is some special need employers, young kids that are working in there. And I had spoken to one young man earlier. I was asking him for some help, and I think he worked in the back and he wasn't able to help me with what I wanted, but he went to get somebody to help me. But I was just looking at him, and he was just working so diligently, and he had that that innocence about him. And in my mind, I was looking at him, and there was another young man working there. And there was also two adults who was kind of keeping an eye on them and tutoring them, making sure they go back and do their work. And while I was there, a dad came and picked up his son who worked there, and he was so happy to see his dad. But you guys are not seeing that behind the scene. But anyways, I thought that was so nice to see special need children or adults or young adults, I don't know the age, but feeling so comfortable working in that environment. They seem very relaxed and and very happy. So I spent a lot of time at the book area, just watching, and observing. And then I went to the other side and have a little conversation with one of them. So kind, so helpful, just such an innocence, and I think sometimes that people don't understand how special needs people are. And it's a shame when I see certain people not treating them very well. It really hurts my heart. And when I see them in their element, it really makes me happy. And I thought I should just share this with you guys in the video, because you guys are not able to see that interaction, or but I just wanted to share that with you. So I found all the things that I went for, and now I am heading home. So if you want to see the reveal of all the things that I bought for my outside kitchen and more other things, you have to watch the next video, because this video is getting pretty long and I don't want you to get boring. So I will see you in the next video. Stay positive and beautiful.